Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created a little sequins box using this Beebeecraft clear container. I did a haul on this, I'll link it down below in case you guys want to go ahead and check it out. But this is what it looks like, and I created this little sequin box. I'll also be showing you guys how I painted this cute little wooden spoon. So this is what it looks like. So if you want to see how I created this, then just keep watching. So first off, I have my clear container and I'm just going to be filling it with some sequins matching my paper collection. I am using the Chasing Dreams collection by Crate Paper. And I was completely inspired by my friend Danny. She's Pop Fizz Paper here on YouTube, and I'll link her channel as well as the video down below where she creates a little sequin box like this. And I just thought it was a great idea and I wanted to give it a try. So when I saw these on Beebeecraft's website, which I'll also link down below, as well as the item, I just had to give it a try. She's super amazing, so if you guys aren't subscribed to her, please go do so. And yeah, so basically, like I said, I'm just filling up my little containers with all coordinating colors to the paper collection. This is really easy to make, and it's great because if you don't have a ton of sequins but you still want to make something small for a Happy Mail to share, for snail mail, a rack, whatever you want to call it, you can definitely do that. You only need maybe about a few small spoonfuls of sequins for this. So I thought it would also be cute if you wanted to decorate the top little squares of this container, but for now I just wanted to create a sleeve. So I'm adding these gold sequins. And after I do this, I'm going to show you guys how I created the sleeve that goes around the box. So I believe this box is 2 by 3. So first you're going to get a piece of design paper and cut it down 2 1/4 by 8 inches. And then you're going to go ahead on the 8-inch side and score at 7/8 of an inch, 3 7/8, 4 3/4 of an inch, and 7 3/4 of an inch. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold everything nicely. And I'm going to use my ATG gun to add a little bit of adhesive on that small tab and seal my sleeve. And there you go. That easy. So then it just slips in and now you can decorate it. So I have some cut-aparts from the paper collection. So I'm just going to be doing some layering, and I'll let you guys go ahead and just listen to some music and watch me decorate this little box, and I will be back. So now I'm going to be showing you how I created this paint-dipped wooden spoon. I was inspired by my friend Liz. She's Liz Russell here on YouTube, and I'll link her down below. I have 2 pieces of washi, and you want to Add that to the front and the back of the spoon at an angle, and then press that together. And you're basically masking off the rest of the spoon that you don't want to paint. So I have this Arteza acrylic paint called Lemon Yellow. I love their acrylic paints. The colors are so bright and beautiful. I'll leave a link down below to where you can pick it up, as well as a coupon code and my haul, so you guys can see exactly how it was packaged and all the colors. So yes, definitely recommend picking these up. They're so beautiful. They're so creamy, and I love the colors, so bright. So then you go ahead and peel off the washi tape, and this is what you get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Like I said, visit the links down below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon.